Good morning, guys. It's a brand new day. Yesterday, after visiting the Oishi Park, we went back to the hotel because it started raining like anything.
Yeah.
And we just spent the rest of the evening at our hotel.
Yeah.
And today morning, look at the views.
Yeah, we saw beautiful sunrise.
The time is just close to 5:50 at the moment. So we were up and early. I think we were up by 4:30 today.
Yeah.
And we just wanted to get the clear views, also the sunrise at the the Fuji Lake as well, the Kawaguchiko Lake actually. Yeah.
You can also see the mirror effect of the Fuji mountain with the water. It's so beautiful.
Beautiful. And I managed to fly the drone. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this drone shot.
We are going on a panoramic ropeway. We got 2 tickets. The ropeway starts at 8:30 and we got 2 tickets. Each, the return ticket is 100 yen per person. So, yeah, it is a clear day. Hoping we can see Mount Fuji clearly from the top.
Looks like I'm the only one who's sitting.
There are about 30 people in this.
33.
33? Wow.
Sorry, I counted the numbers.
Look how massive it is.
Panoramic views of the mountain.
That's exactly what the name of the ropeway is.
Yeah, it's
Mount
like
Fuji Panoramic View Ropeway.
unobstructed view. Wow. What do you think about the spot?
So good.
No? So good, right?
How wide it is, right? It's not only, high, it's like wide.
Yeah. Snow-capped beauty.
Wow. Which was the last volcanic mountain we saw?
Mayan.
It was in Philippines, right?
Yeah.
Mayan. And before that, Agung.
Mm. We are lucky with
Weather
today's
today. Yeah.
weather. Yeah.
Yeah. Amrita.
There's one cherry blossom tree there.
Yeah. Come on. There are lots of people. Look at this rabbit. It's sad. It's sad actually. It's sad. What did you do?
best.
So Amrita, are you gonna try throwing the Kawarake?
Yes. You have to pay 100 yen and you get 2 of them.
So how does it work?
So basically, if you throw the Kawarake on top of the tori, that means you're blessed with special relationships. If you
Top
are
of the Torino, inside the circle.
here, if you throw
okay.
it above the tori, then you are blessed with special relationships.
Oh, okay.
If you throw it inside the circle, which is that, you are blessed with good relationships. And if you don't manage to do any of the above, like whatever I mentioned, you are exercised with evil spirits. Let's give it a try.
Go for it.
Let's try this. Oh. Oh, one went. That was fun.
What does that mean?
I think it means that I am special with good relationships.
No, you are not special.
I'm good with good relationships. I'm blessed with good relationships.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Hey.
Look at the views in the background. So beautiful, unobstructed views of Mount Fuji. And this is where you can actually understand how huge or the magnitude of Mount Fuji is.
Yeah, I know. It's like so huge, massive. Like if you go to Oishi Park and other points, right, you won't really notice that it's so huge. But if you come to the top of this panoramic ropeway, which is 400 meters tall, you will understand how big the mountain is, to be honest.
It's not only tall, it's also wide.
Wide. Yeah,
God,
it's so
the
wide.
area it covers. And it's actually in 2 prefectures.
Yeah.
One is Yamanashi, the other one, I don't remember which is the other one. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's not in one prefecture. It's like spans over 2 prefectures.
Do you know the 5 Fuji 5 lakes?
I know Saiko, then Kawaguchiko. There's one starts with Y, Yamanakako,
And Shojiko,
Fujiko, and what's the last one?
Motosuko.
Oh, Motosuko.
There are 5 lakes.
Yeah, there are 5 lakes around Mount Fuji, and we have been to only 1 lake so far, and I think that's the only 1 lake we planned actually. So we just went to the Kawaguchiko Lake, and that's the biggest of all the 5 Fuji lakes.
Yeah.
I think this is a must visit, right? The ropeway, the Mount Fuji Panoramic Ropeway is a must visit when you come to this area, the Kawaguchiko area.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful from here.
Especially on a clear day like this. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
There are a few things that you can do here at the panoramic ropeway. That is, you can visit the rabbit shrine,
Yeah.
or you can
Throw
also
the Kawarake.
Kawarake.
Yeah.
Throw the Kawarake. Visit a tea house, Tanuki tea house, and also you can do the swing, which I think is 10,000 yen for one person.
Yeah. Did you say you can also ring the bell?
Oh yeah, you can also ring the bell of Tenjo.
Yeah.
It's a heart shaped with a bell.
Yeah. And also you can go for a 6-hour trek from here.
You can also do a 6-hour trek to Mount Mitsutoge.
We were there early in the morning today to get the sunrise picture, right?
Yeah.
The Mount Fuji
Mount
picture.
Fuji. And that's where Hotel Kukuna is. And now we are here at the panoramic ropeway, soaking in this panoramic views of the Lake Kawaguchiko and the Mount Fuji. Such a superb experience.
Amrita's got cookies which are Mount Fuji shaped. So this is the one with the almond one.
Yeah.
And this is snow-capped Fuji.
With chocolate. That's vanilla with chocolate.
Oh, okay.
This is the strawberry and sour cream topping. I don't know what that
Sour
means.
cream?
Yeah, there's something like that. Sour
Okay.
topping, it was written like that. And then this is the plain vanilla one.
Okay.
Which one do you want to try?
I want to try the almond one.
Okay, let's give it a go.
Yeah.
So this is the almond one,
Yeah.
which has one piece of almond. And do you want to try?
Yeah, of course. Looks really good.
Yeah.
Let's give this a try. It's nice. To be frank, not very special though. It's a regular cookie, almond cookie, which has some almond flakes, I think.
Is it like butter cookie or is it just like
It's
normal?
similar to the butter cookie, but yeah, there is almond flavor, obviously. A regular cookie, I think it's mainly because it's Mount Fuji shape.
Yeah.
And I mean, so much of hype, but it's actually a good cookie. Want to give it a try? Oh, you just dropped the main piece, the
Sorry.
almond.
Sorry. Butter cookie itself. It's just like a butter cookie. Very crispy and crunchy. Just like a normal butter cookie. We've got the snow-capped vanilla white chocolate cookie.
Yeah,
Let's give this a try.
yeah, go for it.
Looks so cute with the chocolate topping on top. Wanna give it a bite?
Is it different than the almond one?
Yeah. The white chocolate enhances the flavor of the butter cookie. It's a butter cookie. I like it. How much is one? It's 180?
180, yeah, 180 yen for one of these.
I love the white chocolate. It's so smooth.
I think more than the taste, it's known for its shape.
Yeah.
Right? That's the reason it's popular.
Yeah.
This is definitely better than the almond one.
Yeah. I like the white chocolate one.
When you are in Kawaguchiko area, do visit the
Fujiyama Cookie.
Fujiyama cookies. It's one of the things to try. I mean, especially because the cookies are shaped like Mount Fuji.
Yeah.